Hey guys, this is Taylor here with Travelpic.com. We're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to install Lightroom presets. Alright, first off, you're going to want to have your downloaded zip file. Go ahead and double click your zip file. It's going to open up a Travelpic presets folder. Now go ahead and make sure the presets are all there. Alright, now open Lightroom. Now once Lightroom's open, go to your presets area, click new folder, name it whatever you like. I like to name it something that has to do with the photo, so let's call it landscape presets. Cool. Landscape presets 2. Okay. Alright, so now let's go down, find that folder, import. Right click on it and click import. Now, you want to find the folder that you downloaded your presets into. Mine's right here. Go ahead and Command A or highlight all of the presets and click import. Once imported, go over to the folder, check that they're there, and go ahead and try it out on a photo, see how it does. I'm going to do foggy and cloudy 2 on this one. Hey, there you go. Something to work with.